Good morning, everybody. Yesterday we have discussed regarding with the conversion of the pressure from bar to our Pascal or kilopascal. I have told you in PDV work type of the problem, PDV वर्क टाइप के जो प्रॉब्लम है उसमें अगर आपको प्रेशर ये बार में दिया है तो उस प्रेशर का कन्वर्जन हमें न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब या किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब में करना पड़ता है. ओके, एंड फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्पज yesterday I had given only hint. Today I am going to tell you about the conversion of this pressure. Okay, the work or the heat supplied is always in a joule or kilojoule. Everybody is agree with me? Work or heat we are going to measure in a joule or kilojoule. Everybody is agree with me?
Yes.
Yes. And the pressure P is given in the bar. ये जो प्रेशर P है ये बार में हमें हमारे प्रॉब्लम में दिया हुआ था. करेक्ट. नाउ वॉल्यूम वाज गिवन in meter cube. Okay, it is meter cube. Try to understand it. This is meter cube. Now when your volume is in meter cube and your work and heat you want to calculate in joule or kilojoule, then your pressure should be in a pascal or kilopascal. Okay, it should not be in the bar. And to convert this particular pressure from bar to your pascal or kilopascal, pascal means what? Newton per meter cube is the unit of pascal. So if you want to convert 1 bar pressure, then you will have to multiply with 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter cube, which is nothing but the pascal. Okay, and if you want to convert it into kilopascal, then this particular 1 bar will be, you will have to multiply it with 10 raised to 2, then it will be in a kilopascal. So when it is in that work or heat is in joule, then you will have to multiply with the 10 raised to 5. And when work or heat it in kilojoule, then you will have to multiply with the 10 raised to 2. This particular conversion of pressure is very much important and it should be understood by everybody. Okay, कि 10 raised to 5 आपको बार का कन्वर्जन, अगर आपको हीट और वर्क जो है वो अगर आपको जूल में चाहिए तो आपको 10 raised to 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, और अगर आपको किलो जूल में चाहिए तो 10 raised to 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. तो दिस इज नथिंग बट द मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्टर एज फार एज कन्वर्जन ऑफ द प्रेशर from bar to pascal or kilopascal is going to be concerned. So I request you please write it down in your notebook in a proper way. Okay, this conversion is very much important. Note it down. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. 150 kilojoule of work, 150 kilojoule of work is supplied to a closed system, work is supplied to a closed system. Full stop. if the initial volume is zero point, if initial volume is 0.6 meter cube, 0.6 meter cube, and pressure of the system changes as P is equal to 8 minus 4V, 8 minus 4V, 8 minus 4V, where P is in bar, where P is in bar, and V is in meter cube. V is in meter cube. Comma, determine final volume and pressure of the system. 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 Okay. Who is going to read this particular problem? You need to read it loudly once again for everybody. Who will read it? Onkar Devkar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you read this problem loudly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
1 joule of work is supplied to a closed system. The initial volume is 0.6 meter cube.
Stop. First statement is 150 kilojoule of work is supplied to the closed system. Always keep in mind, whenever you are going to solve the problem, first of all, you need to write the given things. Okay. So one by one, we will enlist the given things. Okay. Work is supplied. Okay. Work is supplied means work is done on the system. ओके अब मुझे बताइए, वर्क इज डन ऑन द सिस्टम, इज इट पॉजिटिव और इज इट निगेटिव? वर्क सप्लाइड टू द सिस्टम, सिस्टम पे वर्क किया है, पॉजिटिव होगा या निगेटिव होगा?
पॉजिटिव।
वर्क इज डन ऑन द सिस्टम,
नेगेटिव।
yes,
नेगेटिव।
so it is negative, so minus 150 kilojoule, that is work is supplied to the system, correct? Now Devkar ji, go ahead, second line.
Initial volume is 0.6 meter cube.
So initial volume is 0.6 meter cube, means can we write that V1 is equal to 0.6, okay, meter cube. This is your initial volume, okay? Now next please.
Pressure of the system changes as P is equal to 8 minus 4V.
P is equal to 8 minus 4V. This is the equation of pressure, okay? It is a pressure of the system, right? Next.
Is
Go
in
ahead.
the bar.
हाँ,
And
P
V is in meter cube.
So P is in
The
bar.
bar.
Okay. अब ये P बार में है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? जब हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे तब उसे कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. We need to convert it. Okay. Next, please read. Go ahead.
V is in meter cube.
V is in meter cube. We have taken V is in meter cube.
Determine the final volume and pressure of the system.
So final volume will be V2. Okay. And pressure we need to find out. Correct? Am I correct? If I am wrong, please correct me. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these are the given things. Okay. Now we need to solve the problem. Solutions we will have to go for. Okay. Here we are going to start writing the solution. Everybody, please be ready with me. Okay. Now, first of all, the given things we have written. Now, work done 1 to 2, okay, is equal to sine of integration P d V. Is it correct? And limit will be V1 to V2. Is it correct? Is it the formula?
Yes.
Absolutely
Yes,
right. Yes, yes, it is the formula. So you will have to write that minus 150 is equal to, what is your pressure? 8 minus 4V. Am I correct? So in bracket 8, ये P जो है, this is the P, here is the P. So P is 8 minus 4V dV. Here is the integration sign, V1 to V2. Everybody is agree with me? Work is taken minus 150 and it is in kilojoule. Okay. This 150 is in kilojoule. So I have given you the table previously. If you want to calculate the work in a kilojoule, then you will have to multiply this pressure with 10 raised to 5 or 2.
5.
Once again, you are making the same mistake. If you want to calculate in joule, okay, then you will have to multiply with 10 raised to 5. Here we want it in kilojoule because your work is given in a kilojoule, right? So if it is in kilojoule, then you will have to multiply the equation with 10 raised to 2. अगर ये 150 जूल रहेगा तो हमें 10 raised to 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. Okay, don't just be physically in the class. Concentrate, try to concentrate. If 150 is in kilojoule, then 10 raised to 2. If 150 will be in a joule, then it will be 10 raised to 5. Now is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
And I have purposefully in this previous slide, I have provided all the things in detail. Okay. So here we can rewrite the equation as minus 150 is equal to, now integration of this 8 dV is how much? Take the integration. 8 dV is 8V minus 4V dV.
2V square.
4V square by 2.
Absolutely correct. 4V square by 2, right? Put the upper limit and lower limit, that is V1 to V2. Right. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. So it will be in bracket 8V minus 2V square in bracket V1 they have provided to V people, that is 0.6, and V2 is unknown, that we need to calculate, multiplied by 10 raised to 2 means 100. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it is 100. That much part you need to write down in your notebook immediately. This 8V minus 2V square in bracket, upper limit is V2 and lower limit is 0.6. Means we will have to put this V2 and V1 value where V is situated in the equation. So once again we can write that minus 150 is equal to can anybody help me? In bracket 8, what is your V2? V2 is V2 minus this V1 0.6, bracket complete, minus 2 into V2 square minus V1 is 0.6, so 0.6 its square, and this bracket complete, and the square bracket multiplied by 100 is the equation. Simultaneously you will have to write with me. Is it clear to everybody? This is correct? Okay, now what we will do, we will take this 100 which is in RHS to the LHS in a next step. So your next step will be minus 150 divided by 100 is equal to, in bracket, 8 V2 minus 4.8. What? How 4.8? 8 multiplied by 0.6. Okay, 4.8 minus 2 V2 square minus, now 0.6 its square is 0.36. So 2 multiplied by 0.36 is
0.72.
0.72.
70.
Yeah. 0.72 bracket complete. Okay, this is the simple equation. Now minus 4.08, and this minus 2 multiplied by minus means it is going to be plus, correct? So minus 4.8 plus 0.72 you will have to take into consideration. This much part you write in your notebook. Have you written it? Because I asked her to write it simultaneously. Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I clear it?
Yes.
Yeah. Now our equation we can rewrite as minus 1.5 is equal to eight V2 minus 4.08 minus 2V square. Okay, so our equation, what I am going to do, I'll take this particular thing into the LHS. Okay, then our equation will be 8 V2. Now when it will go in LHS, it will be minus 8 V2 plus 4.08 plus 2V square minus 1.5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now Here plus 4.08 is there and minus 1.5 is there. You can subtract minus 1.5 from 4.08. Then your equation will be minus 8v2 plus 4.08 minus 1.5.
2.58.
Right, 2.58 plus 2v square is equal to 0. Right. Now we will rearrange this equation. Okay, how we will have to rearrange the equation? 2v square quantity first we will have to take, minus 8v2 this is v2 plus 2.58 is equal to 0. So this is the simple equation. Okay, it is ax square plus bx plus c form equation. This equation is in the form of
Ax square plus b.
Yes, it is in this is the equation which is in the form of a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we will have to find out the unknown term, that is x. Means here we will have to find the unknown term v2. And how we can calculate it? We can calculate it by simple formula. And what is that simple formula? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Right,
2a.
Absolutely correct. Means you have not forgotten the things. Okay, you are keeping in mind. Here your b is how much in this equation? Your a is equal to 2. Am I correct? Your b is equal to minus 8 and your c is equal to 2.58. You can put it in this equation. Okay, have you written this? Write it.
Yes, sir.
Those who have not written it, please write it. So when you will solve this problem, you will get two values for V2. The first value is 3.65. What is the unit? Meter cube. And second answer is V2 is equal to 0.36 meter cube. Now there are two values of V2. Then which value we will have to accept? That is also one question. Because here we are getting two final volumes. First volume is 3.65 and second volume is 0.36. What is your initial volume? V1. It is 0.6 meter cube. It is given. Am I correct? Means now answers are with us. What is the answer? This 3.65 एंड 0.36। इन दोनों में से एक आंसर हमें चूज करना है। ओके, सो हाउ टू चूज दिस आंसर? देयर इज अ वन सिंपल one tact or one knack is there. If work is positive, then choose maximum volume. Okay, and when work is negative, choose minimum value. And why it is so? Because when work is positive, then there is a expansion takes place. आपका वॉल्यूम बढ़ जाता है तो क्या होता है? एक्सपांशन होता है। ओके, द वॉल्यूम इज गोइंग टू बी expanded. And when work is negative, when you will have to choose the minimum, it means compression is taking place during the work. This is the reason. Now our work is positive or negative?
Negative.
Absolutely correct. So our work is negative. That's why we will have to choose our V2 as a 0.36. So our first answer is final volume V2 is equal to 0.36 meter cube. That is our first answer. Now they have asked one another thing also. They have asked us to calculate the pressure. How we can calculate the pressure? P is equal to, yes, what is the formula to calculate the P? P कैलकुलेट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला उन्होंने प्रॉब्लम में दिया हुआ है। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला?
8 minus 4v.
एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, 8 minus 4v प्रॉब्लम में दिया हुआ है। यही फॉर्मूला यूज करके हमने पीडी भी कैलकुलेट किया था ना। सो 8 minus 4 into the bracket 0.36 will give you the pressure. Yes. Can anybody calculate it for me? Hmm?
156.
कितने? How much?
6.
How much?
6.
6.
6.56.
6.6.
6.5.
Okay, 0.5, 0.6. That is your final pressure. Okay, so this is the solution to the problem. Now you will have to understand which step we will have to follow to solve this problem. This is little bit different than first problem. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में हमने वर्क कैलकुलेट किया था, इस प्रॉब्लम में हमने फाइनल वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट किया है। कभी कभी वो आपको फाइनल वॉल्यूम देंगे और इनिशियल वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करने को कहेंगे, देन यू विल हैव टू फॉलो द सेम प्रोसेस। ओके, दिस इज वन अनदर वैरायटी which we have seen in our today's lecture. Okay, now I will provide you one problem for homework. So friends, these examples we have studied today. Okay, we will meet in a next lecture and we will continue to solve the problem. Thank you very much for attending this lecture. Have a nice day. Stay in home and stay safe. Okay, thank you very much.